Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another healthy natural hair care ingredient. This is called Ambunu from the wonderful Sahel Cosmetics brand. I've been testing out Ambunu for the past 3 to 4 washes and here to give my review. Just like Chebe, it is an old African tradition the ladies used in Chad. This herb is used to detangle and wash the hair, offering amazing slip. It will gently cleanse your hair. Great for sealing in moisture for dry hair as it isn't an emollient, also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. My first time using the Ambunu, I did follow the instruction that was on the packaging, which was 1 tablespoon of Ambunu and 1 liter of hot water. Now, usually in the traditional way, they do use more Ambunu to match the amount of water they put into the bowl. So, if you guys want more slip, add more Ambunu. For less slip and for less leaves to get into your hair, add less Ambunu, but you always want to make sure you cool your mixture before applying it to your hair. Here I'm about to apply the Ambunu to an old wash and go. As you can see, not much moisture. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair and apply the Ambunu. The traditional way, they sit over the bowl and take a big spoon or a cup and apply the mixture to the hair. I did not do that, but what you can also do is apply it to a bottle with a nozzle and just go ahead and section your hair and apply that, which will cause for a less mess. But for me, I really didn't mind, so I just took a small little bowl and just scooped that Ambunu and made sure to rub it to my scalp all the way down to my ends. And it really does give good slip. Had I add more Ambunu the first time, you would have seen much more slip and a little bit more of a slimy mixture. But this first batch I thought was pretty good. For my second wash and my third, I did add more Ambunu and it gave amazing slip. Now, Ambunu is not just to cleanse the hair, but it's a natural conditioner as well. And people also use this as a leave-in. So, I will definitely be coming out with another recipe because I want to see what this bad boy can do because it isn't a natural emollient, meaning it will help to seal in moisture. And as you can see, my hair is looking shiny already. I would love to see this bad boy work as a leave-in. For the amount of times I've used the Ambunu for my hair wash, it always left my hair extremely soft and gave me a beautiful shine and did minimize my frizz. Now, for this being a conditioning product as well, it did also minimize my hair shedding, which was great because it does give so much slip. The hair is super easy to detangle, so I had less hair fall. My hair after the Ambunu has been freshly rinsed out. No shampoo, no nothing. And as you can see, I do not have any residue or any of the leaves left in my hair, as my mixture was very light on the Ambunu, so I didn't even have to detangle with the comb, just using my good old fingers. After this, I did go in and follow up with my deep conditioner, and then of course my stylers. I will be back with more videos, so you guys stay tuned. I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye guys.